Today, my name is Laura Mejia. I am a student of Bachelor in English, and this course, Language Foreign Functions. I am in the group 24. I study in the University UNAT, in the ciudad de Sogamoso. In this homework, we have that word according to the process of a word formation. In this point, I choose to work with the derivation. The derivation, according to the Cambridge derivation, is the origin of sometimes such a word from which another form has been developed or the new form itself. According to this meaning, we can find that the derivation is the process in that each person can to change or can to do different words, adding or a suffix or a prefix. Okay. Here we can find some examples. For example, the blackbird, disconnect, predict, and placebo. Okay. The examples we can find that each one alone have a meaning so different that when you combine this, yes, for example, in that this coined, we have when you combine the two words, you have to do the antonyms of the first word. That is different change that we can to found when we do this is that the phonological change, orthographic change, or semantic change, or change in word class. Yes, in the phonological change, we can to find that examples like, for example, trauma to traumatize, traumas relate relations. Yes, in this we come to find different pronunciation according to this. Orthographic change is when you put we change a consonant for a vowel. For example, we have in this point that beautiful for genial or happy for happiness. When you have to change for happiness, you have that to change the Y for the INESS. And this other thing, for example, in the verbs in past, you have to change this semantic change that can to be according that the 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 context in that the person is talking. And the last change is the a root change. For example, when we have a verb and when we add a suffix, they have to combine or they express for example, a verb. Yes. Here we have to find different class or prefix in English that are sound important. For example, for time, for number, for place, degree, privation, negation, size. Yes, each one have two different functions, but each one change a new words. We can find in this topic the suffix. The suffix and the functions of this are so different, but it depends of the use that each one do of this word. For example, the suffix change the meaning of the roots, or they change the part of the speech of the root. So many class or kinds of suffix is that diminutive suffix, feminine suffix, abstract suffix, or the suffix that denoting people such as and such as air, such as for example, when you talk about that nationality, when you have a nationality, you have a country. Example, Canada. When you add a suffix and Canadian is the nationality. Yes, this is an example according to the use of this. We have to found different derivational effects that causes chain of incremental class, but Also, we can to find different affixes that don't change the grammatical class. Okay, we have to find different examples of this. And for last, here we have different derivational parents and their suffix that are according to the derivation. Here we have some examples. For example, the verb to know, the verb to adjective, the adjective to verb, the adjective to adjective, the noun to adjective, and for this. Okay, thank you very much. We can to find different reference that I use for this homework.